Want to follow or unfollow people on TikTok using your iPhone, but are facing issues or simply just don't know how? Sometimes users can face issues due to app glitches, network problems, or account restrictions. But in this video, I'm gonna show you the step-by-step method to follow and unfollow people on TikTok. So let's get started. First, open up the TikTok app. Use the search bar like the magnifying glass icon at the top right corner. Now search for a username. Here, you'll find the profile. Tap the follow button next to the profile name. You can follow people in other ways from the For You page. Like, if you see a video from someone you like on your For You page, then tap on the plus icon under the profile picture, or tap on their profile picture. Now, tap the follow button. After following, if you want to unfollow this profile, then tap on the human icon next to the message option. Next, tap unfollow. In this way, you can follow and unfollow people in TikTok. If you still are unable to follow and unfollow or are facing issues, then go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap General. Next, tap iPhone Storage. Scroll down and find the TikTok app. Tap on it. Now, tap on Offload app. Wait for a while. After that, tap Reinstall app. Now go to the TikTok app again and try to follow someone to check whether it works or not. Hope this video helps you out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. If you have anything to ask, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye for today.